What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the original Microsoft Xbox One controller. Original Microsoft Xbox One is the best gaming console of all time. So here it is. I rank original Microsoft Xbox One as number 1, PlayStation 2 as number 2. So you can get this one in red, green or black. The red and green are the transparent one. From the back, okay, from the side, nothing special. So now let me just open it, and then here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, okay, there's more. I'm extremely sorry guys, because I'm having a nostalgia breakdown. A lot of people do not like the original Microsoft Duke controller. This is very big. I don't know, I love big stuff, so I think this one is for me. Wow. Okay, it's padded form. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. I couldn't tell you my excitement. Very special thanks to, okay, awesome, Hyperkin Duke controller, awesome. So I wanna see the cable first. Okay, here is the cable, and here's the controller. Okay, now I have grown up. I mean, after like many 15 years, it's around 17 years. After 17 years to be precise, I touch this controller. Now my hands are big. At that time I was tiny. Now I'm 28. You can guess I was like only around teenager, like 14, 13. I mean, this is really very comfortable. I mean, okay. I mean, this thing seems very comfortable. I wanna be honest out here. Okay, here's the cable. Okay, this thing to me seems quite comfortable. I wanna be honest here with you. So I need to turn it on, right? For that I need a laptop to test. Let me take out my laptop. Okay, here we go. Here's my laptop. So I'm going to connect with it, and then let me see. So the cable seems quite long. Okay, it's just the micro USB. I wish it was USB-C. Come on. Okay, let me just enter the pin. Okay, now it's already done. Let me just, oh, I'm extremely sorry what happened. I'm extremely sorry for it. Okay, and then here we go. What's happening? There's vibration happening. Oh no, nostalgia breakdown. I'm sorry, nostalgia breakdown. Wow, nostalgia breakdown. Wow. Let me do it again. Let me just pull it out. Okay, let me do it again. Are you ready? Wow. Wow, I couldn't believe it, to be honest with you. Wow. Okay, this seems very lightweight. I mean, I wanna be honest here. Maybe I think the black one will be better in build quality. The build quality is a little bit more to be desired. I wanna be honest. The build quality is not exactly the same as original. The original was built like a tank. This feels a little bit light for my hand. Okay. Okay, my hands, you can see. I think I'm liking it. I mean, I'm liking it, to be honest with you. I am liking it. I'm gonna be honest out here. I think I'm liking this controller. Okay, there's like LB. This seems quite light, to be honest with you. This seems quite light. Can I recommend this thing? Definitely yes, I can recommend this thing. Subscribe and buy. This is a must buy, subscribe and buy.
فهب لي